In this video, I will show you how you can do carbon-aware job processing in Java with recurring jobs. And the first thing, of course, we need to do again is enable carbon-aware job processing or configure it. And this is easy, so we do using standard background job server configuration and carbon-aware job processing configuration. And again, I need to mention the area code or the region where my server is located, in this case Belgium. And this, of course, you only need to do once. Now, we want to schedule this recurring job that we earlier scheduled each day at 2 p.m. We now want to transform it into a carbon-aware job, and that's also really easy. So the only thing that we need to schedule, change, is in this case this part, the cron part. And here we can now say carbon aware, daily between or daily before. So let's say that you want to have your job done daily before 7 a.m. but carbon aware, then you can use daily before. In this case, I'll use daily between, and I'll use between 12 p.m. noon and 5 p.m. If I now start my server, we will see inside the dashboard that there is our recurring job, but the cron expression is different. It is with a carbon aware job, so we see the green leaf here, meaning that by the latest it will run at latest at 5 p.m. If I then go to jobs, we'll see that it's already scheduled, and it will be scheduled at 2 p.m. And why is that? Well, currently the best moment to schedule jobs in Belgium with the least amount of carbon impact is at 2 p.m. What do we see here in this graph? Well, we see the total carbon intensity forecast for Belgium for today, and on top of that there is this little red line above, and this little red line, it shows that this is the period that's outside the execution window that you gave to JobRunner. So only the part where there is no red line is the possibility where we can schedule jobs. And if we then look at the moment where it's best, it's 2 p.m. It has the lowest intensity, and that's when we will schedule your recurring job.